In this video, we're going to look at topic 47, example 1, solve equations of the form x squared equals a. The question is, what are the solutions of the equations? And these are pretty straightforward ones. So if you have x squared equals 49, normally when we're solving equations, we're looking to undo operations. And if you have x squared equals 49, to undo a square, you can take the square root. So the square root of x squared would just be x, and the square root of 49 we know is 7. The one thing we do need to look out for, though, is since we are working with equations, we do want the positive and negative roots. Okay. So be careful with that. It's pretty straightforward in terms of taking the squares of both sides, but just remember to use the positive and negative versions, or positive and negative roots. In part B, we're looking to do the same thing. Something slightly different will happen here. So again, to undo operations, we would take the square root of each side, but we cannot take the square root of a negative number in this case. So what's going to happen is that there's no real number that you can multiply by itself to get a negative number. So in this case, we're just going to say that there is no real solution. All right, there are solutions to these problems, but they're not real solutions. So we're not going to be concerned with those for now. Later on in your mathematical education, you'll come up with non-real solutions or complex numbers. But for now, we're just going to say no real solutions. That's it. Give the triad problems a go. They're pretty straightforward. And again, you're just looking to see if, take the square root of each side. Make sure that you do look at the positive and negative roots though.